welcome to TZED Games. We have a lot of fun games, positive games. Jump on board our positivity train and have fun. Playing games teaches positivity. Everything around us is made of energy. To attract positive things in your life, start by giving off positive energy. Find the positive. Look around the room you're in right now and find something that's the color blue. Find something that's the color red. Now find something black. In the comments, tell us what they are in a positive way. Many people ask me, TZ, are you truly positive all the time? Yes. By breeding positivity, it brings positivity. Everything is energy, and that's all there is to it. Match the frequency of that reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. A positive reality. Join us, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, click that bell.